My dear colleagues, Aliyu M. Wamakko are my names, Soktonos. Mr. President, I rise to ably second this motion ably moved by my brother, Bari Abdul Fatai. But Mr. President, my concern here is story of abduction or kidnapping are not new to this chamber. They have come repeatedly, and discussions were held, including a seminar on this very menace of abduction and kidnapping in our country. Mr. President, my answer is that we need to fine-tune our plans and actions with regard to this issue of kidnapping and abduction of innocent Nigerians across the entire country. It is just an Okwara or whatever, it has already been a problem, a national problem across the entire nation now. There could be kidnapping anywhere in Nigeria. But what are we doing wrong now that what we need to do right? What question do we need to ask ourselves so that this issue can be brought to final end and real end? Because we can do it as a nation. I believe we can do it. Merely talking about it, making headlines, doesn't solve the problem. There should be a constructive action and plan forward for us to overcome this menace in our dear country. Mr. President, we had enough of these stories about this banditry kidnapping in our country. It's now a matter of years and years and years. And now it is expanding. Initially, it was just in a few elements of the southeast, and took up to maybe northeast, northwest, north central. Now it is the entire, it's now the entire country. Mr. President, I think this chamber needs to again reconvene solely with the idea or the intention of finding a solution to this menace, And we pass our resolve or resolutions to the executive arm for action. But, Mr. President, enough is enough. It's high time that this issue is brought to an end. Otherwise, it is now becoming a profession by some young people who are jobless. And the more we allow it to conduce, the more it expands to a level that we can no longer stop it. I so submit, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, thank you, Sekinyama Sokoto.